Oh,
Oh, what?
what a blue foot. I don't know how big this view is, but we'll figure it out today.
So today, we're here at our friend's house, and we're fixing the AC. We went out last night, so one thing I do is go set up my shop valve. You see that lizard reel?
Your glasses staying on your face. Yeah. Shout out to the flea market. Panel off.
$43.
Damn. This is what it's supposed to be? It's not the capacitor. And he's gonna go get his gauges.
Teamwork made the dream work.